Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create duplicate rules in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go and search for to customize our duplicate rules, and basically to do so, we need just to go to the setup, and now we need just to go and search for duplicate rules. So I'm going to the quick find box and search for duplicate rules. And from here we will find the error logs duplicate rules. So I'm just going to click on it, and basically we need just to add a rule. So as you can see, there is already some standards contact duplicate rule, standard lead duplicate rule, etc. Now we are going to add a new one. And for example, let's create a new one concerning the contacts objects. So I'm just going to name it rule or whatever, and you can enforce the sharing rules, and those are the actions. So the action on create, either it will create an alert and report, and on edit, it can also alert or block the action, depends on what you would like. So what matters the most is the conditions. So basically, if the fields, for example, the clone or the contact owner equals or already uh, contained in our values or already exist, includes in, for example, uh, anything that you would like. For example, it can contain some kind of characters, it can be a value or whatever. So here you can specify the condition a record must meet for the rule to run, and basically here you can compare it with the other contacts, of course. In the matching rules, you can create a new matching rules. So you can, for example, match also the phone number, etc. And then at the end, you will need just to save, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.